All right, welcome to today's video. Let's get started with BTC. We just had a little flush here on BTC after some job loss report. But recovering. It's sucking up the sell pressure quite nicely here, reclaiming the 36 EMA. We are still, when we look at the 12-hour, we are still in this uptrending channel of trend lines, as we already talked about it yesterday. And we even made yesterday the push into this range of the yearly open. And I said in the video yesterday that I would not entertain any trades around this area and would see how price will unfold here. Obviously, I took some trades. No, I took some shorts today. I got stopped out of one. Two worked. One I actually fat fingered. I put like a wrong exit price in it, and then I had to re-enter. But luckily it worked out on both instances. I saw that BTC here on the 4-hour started to show weakness. It was still above this trend line, but this candle right here and then this indecisive candle right here indicated me that there might be some price action to the downside. It was an anticipation move. I shouldn't trade those. But from time to time, when I have a gut feeling, if you do that for quite some time, you develop some gut feeling around those setups. And with a very, very tight invalidation, it's okay for me to take them from time to time. Very rare, but today I did. Especially after I saw this 4-hour, and then after that, this 4-hour, the one with a huge wick, and then the one that indicated more indecisiveness. So okay, might be a rollover. Then we had quite an aggressive push to the downside. And right now we are retesting this trend line here from below. I will definitely wait half an hour for the 1 hour, and then I will most likely, I will wait for sure until the 4-hour closes. It's 1.5 hours. I want to see, maybe we can even close back above. That would be fantastic. That would show more strength. If we close below, then either I'm gonna look out for some, I don't think it will be like this, but who knows, maybe it will. That would be like, either we're gonna see something like this and we're gonna trade back towards the monthly open range, or we're gonna see so much strength in BTC that we can actually push above again and then continue trading in this yearly open range that you can see indicated here in blue. I actually copied the 2 short positions somewhere here on the chart. Wait, let me zoom out. Here we go. Here we go. As I said already, I kind of fat fingered the first trade, and then I had to re-enter. This was the first trade here, 7%. Entry price was 92,853. We can actually also put that on the chart. It's quite big. Let's put that smaller on top here. Here we go. Okay. So let me see. Okay. Let's do the line in red. Coordinates of that first trade was 92,853. This is where I actually entered. In this level, and then we had this push down, and then the position, I fat fingered the position, closed too early. There was still like an old price as a TP, and then I actually re-entered around 92,170 right here. And then I closed the second trade. I must have actually catched the exact Wow. Yeah. Um, I actually catch the exact bottom of this small move here. I mean, obviously we can push more, but yeah, that was a trade. Execution wise, obviously, total bullshit. First of all, shouldn't have anticipated the trade, shouldn't have taken the trade in the first place. For me, it's okay if I do that super rare when I have a gut feeling, and I also saw usually I force myself to not zoom into those time frames 15 and 30. Should actually put them away from my charts. And the lowest time frame I actually want to look at is the 1 hour. But if you looked at the 15 minute, you could see that especially after we formed this kind of range, that price really tried to push above the 0.75 fib level. It slightly did once, but then straight away closed the next one below again. And then the moment we broke the 0.618, I was kind of sure that this trade would work. Yeah, but this is nothing I want to entertain in the future, or in general do a lot. Work this time, great. Now I move on to take my regular setups. Speaking of regular setups, I'm gonna wait again. Today just those scalps. I got stopped out of this once in the morning. And I mean morning in European time. And then re-entered once and then fat fingered and then re-entered a second time. Now I wait. Yeah, either we close above, more strength. I am actually, I'm not sure if I would trade this micro range here. I would probably continue wait until we see something like this. That would be fantastic for longs. What would be also great for longs is something like this. Yeah, definitely entertain some long position down there if we see some valid reaction. And only if we see like a very clean retest of this range, and if that flips to very clean resistance again, I would probably entertain a short. But this is my preference would lay definitely in the first and in the second option. Yeah, that would be my preference for now. Let's see how this candle develops. I think we need to wait at least 2-3 more candles to develop to have a clearer view on how things will unfold. But this is the plan for BTC right now. I haven't looked at ETH much today. I think right now market seems pretty nervous. Again, we had some economic data coming out today with a job report. On those days when we see some economic data flying in, I usually stick to the king. If I trade crypto, I trade BTC. Yeah, can be that I will be looking for some LEV options on ETH or on Solana the next days, but for now I stick with BTC. All right, that's the summary. That's the summary for today, and yeah, let's see what price will give us tomorrow or in the next hours. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, guys, and remember, this is not financial advice. It's just my opinion about the markets.